All right, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add and edit your phone number on Etsy. First, log into your Etsy account from your browser. Once you're logged in, go to your profile at the top right and click on it. From the drop-down, choose Account Settings. In the Account Settings, click where it says Addresses. Then click on Add a New Address. Etsy only allows adding phone number on some regions and not others. As you can see, for United States, there's no phone number field. But if I select India, you can see that it lets me add phone number. So it depends on your location. Now, let's add our street, city, PIN code, state, and finally, of course, our mobile phone number. You can also set it as your default address if you want. Next, click Save, and your phone number is successfully set. Now, to edit it, just go to Addresses tab and click on Edit and edit your phone number. You can also edit any information you want. Then click Save. And that's it. Your phone number is now updated on Etsy. Thanks for watching.